centrifugal pump. Up here you have the blank caps, which allows you to plug in your hose, and this one here is the blank cap too, that allows you to connect the suction hose should in case you want to get water from an open source. Then inside here is the casing of the centrifugal pump, which contains the impeller. The impeller is the mechanism that runs the centrifugal pump to take water from the engine, from the tank down to the outlets to enable firemen to gain access to water. The impeller here is designed in such a way that the mechanism of the centrifugal pump is solely based and dependent on the impeller. The impeller is what runs the centrifugal pump for you to get water and fight fire.